What's up, everyone? It's Kamal the guy here, and today is gonna be an awesome day. And I hope you're having a good day, guys, because I'm gonna do some crazy things with the fidget spinner, and I will show you the fidget spinner right now. Let's go. Where's the fidget spinner, bro? Here's the fidget spinner. Yo, Jasper, can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do this, bro. Again? Yeah, so we're outside right now, and this is my idea is to break the light bulb with this thing, and I hope it works. Yeah, let's do this, guys. This is my first attempt. Wait, let me fix. Oh no, it's broken. But let's still do this. Oh, look at this. Look at what just happened. Okay, we have another bulb in there, and later we're gonna do with a.
Fidget spinner also broke.
No, that's not broken. We can just install it again. Okay, this is another. This is an extra bulb.
So now we're going to put the fidget spinner on fire, and then we're going to shoot it at the light bulb.
Okay, that's good. Let's do this, Jasper.
Then do
Time, guys. It's time for burning time. So first, hold this, Jasper. First, we're gonna put the solution so it can burn. Yeah.
I wonder what's going to happen
Okay.
with this.
Is it burning?
I don't think so. It's hot.
Oh, you can't see the. Oh, it's hot.
It's too hot.
Oh no. Is this gonna work?
I don't think
We can see the.
so.
Okay, let's just do this again, bro. With my hands.
Go, go, go.
Alright, not yet. We need to add more. Ah! Ah! Burn my hand. Ah! Did I have to do this at home? I don't recommend you doing this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just burn this and throw it away as fast as I can, because it also burns my hand, bro. Let's do this. Okay, you kalit naman. Ako. And I hope you understand, because the fire cannot be seen, but it's actually really burning, bro.
Happening. Is it really that hot?
Oh no, it won't start.
Oh, there you go.
It won't start anymore. There you go. What's your problem, bro?
Hey, fluffy unicorn dancing in rainbows.
Ow!
Oh my god, I must have heard a lot.
Okay, let's not do that. I hope you understand, guys. It's not working. My hand really hurts. So let's just do it again. Let's just hit the bulb with the fidget spinner, man. Let's do this. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do 360 no scope, and let's do this. I'm gonna hit that bulb. I'm gonna hit that. Okay, let's do this, guys. Oh no!
Bam!
It breaks. Look at what just happened. literally break, and you can already see the bullets.
I didn't know even that was there.
Then again. Do this again. Second attempt. Okay, let's just do it. That's gonna work. I'm weak, bro. I'm weak. Let's do this, bro. Let's do a normal attempt. Let's do a normal attempt. Let's do this. Nah. It didn't work. Let's do it. Let's do it again. Ah. Why can't I hit that thing, bro? I'll go. Oh no, I still can do this. I don't know what just happened to me, bro. I can't even hit. Just. But I should not surrender because I'm strong. Let's do this.
Oh!
It exploded. Oh no, what just happened, bro? It's too dangerous, man. See this? It's broken.
Look at the leftovers.
Look at the pieces. And oh, it's still working. See this? But there's a little bit of scratches at the sides. There's scratches. But yeah. So that's it, guys. I'm done with my fidget spinner. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and like this video. Bye.